Hello everyone, it's me again, Tarsher. Of course, kasama ko yung buong troops. Nasa Target kami dahil last minute na sinabi ng mga bata na may kulang sila sa school supply nila. So, konti lang ang tao sa Target dahil nga pasarado na sila nito. Nagsasara sila 10 o'clock. So, mga 9:30 ata kami pumasok. So, kaya konti lang ang tao na makikita nyo. At saka nagmamadali din kami. So, hindi masaya si Baby Blue, of course, dahil wala siyang makitang toys na gusto niya. And, of course, itong dalawa kong dalaga, shopping addict, then mana sa nanay, kaya lang ayaw nila mag-online, gusto talaga nilang makita, pero hindi nila ito paboritong shop ng Target. So, nag-iikot sila kung may makita silang gusto. Ayun, ito yung pagkatapos namin mag-dinner, doon pa sila nag-decide na may kulang sila sa school. Kaya takbo kami kaagad sa Target. And hindi din to malayo sa bahay. Kaya okay lang din. And sarado na yung ibang mga kainan, yung pharmacy, yung kainan dahil nga late na. How, Dad?
So I can put it over the cord.
Ah, I see. Okay.
So when the garage door comes down, it doesn't smash it.
Oh, yeah. For Kuya's charger. For the car charger. For his car.
I only need a small section.
Yes, it's fine, Dad, yeah?
I'm gonna cut the part of it. Like that much, right down the middle. Put it on the cord for the.
When we shut the garage so that it won't.
Comes down on it, right? It comes down on the noodle and has the cord. And then let's see what we're gonna.
Come on, Kuya. What you bought, baby? That's it? What you got, big boy, for your skull?
Or we're gonna use FedEx. When I scan the receipts, you get points, and the points turn into Robux. It's basically that one.